Bag, girls, in a minute. You can dig your own, okay? But have a look at this first. This is a bit of opal from the ground. See, I stick it on the end of a stick, and I'm going to grind it into one of these. There's a diamond wheels here. I put the water on to keep it cool, and you watch what happens. All the shaping is done by eye, no measurement at all. This one here, you watch. There's no shine on it yet, there's no shining. Yeah. Now over here, this is also a diamond wheel, it's very fine. It smooths the opal a little bit. First polish here. This is the final polish here. See the nice shiny colours in there?
That's amazing.
That's what we call a solid white opal. And I told you about the other ones up there. Yeah. It comes from this place called Cooper.
Looks like a single man place for everything.
It is.
Yeah.
This one will be alright.
But it would be actually difficult for you to tell the quality before it's very smiley.
No, you always
This one's got
You're able to see.
That's going to be a good one, yeah. Okay, can I show you the lizards now, girls? You only see one.
The interesting part. I think you close at 5 or...
Yeah. There's a bearded dragon here, and there's a stumpy tail lizard there. And this is a snake here.
Yesterday, I got a snake around my neck.
Yeah, the Chinese.
This is a little snake here, see? See? You just hold your hand out and he'll wrap around it like that.
Okay? Get your sister? Just wait.
He already ready.
Achha, this is also getting bolder, huh? She's going, sorry beta, but I will take a minute or so. You know?
He's very friendly, that fellow.
Yeah. Okay, Sheshtu, give me a look. Sheshtu.
Open it up. Right.
Yeah, sure. He's a little stumpy tail guy. Looks like he's having a good nap, and then we have another fellow down here. Look at him. Looks like he's sleeping too.
Thank you, Sheshtu.
None of them are poisonous or anything.
Lizards and snakes are not able to maintain the temperature.
And then Lily would recognize this bearded dragon. Just like your bearded dragons in kindergarten. And look, he's actually asleep on top of this other guy. Who is this? Look at this guy. Wow. He looked like a rock. Yeah. He blends right in there, doesn't he? He's got a stumpy little tail there.
Come on.
Yeah, you can if you want. Yeah, there
I'm
you
scared of
You won't bite.
Here, let me, I'll try to pet him. Oh, it feels like crocodile skin.
crocodile.
Yeah. I mean, this is a fake one. He's not real. No, this isn't real, though.
It's a good toy, not like skates.
All right. Bye, mate. See you later. Now this is some of the beautiful opals. Look at all these opals. Oh, I'm going too fast here. But let's take an example down here. This one right there, that's worth $6,500. This one is worth $2,500.
Most of them.
And that one is worth $4,800.
So there you go.
There's some more of his work. This is a really interesting looking rock.
We keep them back in the same pocket.
They move all around, there's lots of white ones here. These are more expensive.
Beautiful ones here.
ये बोल्डर में तो पीछे नहीं लगा रहा.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
Okay.
You're
not feeling it as look
Lots of opals. And this gentleman here is the owner, and that is a picture of him over there.